HR plays a crucial role in establishing a cybersecurity awareness amongst its employees. Uh, for all of these, HR has to collaborate with the IT and the management teams. They have to work hand in hand to devise policies and processes which should be comprehensive and which should address best practices for data protection, password management, or social engineering awareness and reporting potential security incidents. Now, regular communication and updates of these policies are extremely essential. The second most important thing is the learning and development function within HR has to organize cybersecurity awareness programs which should cover topics such as how to identify phishing emails, recognizing malicious websites, or how to secure the personal and the company data. This enhances the awareness and the knowledge of potential cyber threats. Also, it is extremely important that this cybersecurity awareness programs are incorporated during onboarding and offboarding of employees so that both new hires and exiting employees are aware of the organization policies and guidelines. And even when exiting the organizations, they are aware of data protection and what data security is. The communication and awareness campaigns are essential, where HR plays a very significant role. They can actually share relevant newsletters, relevant informations via internal communication channels or via HR meetings. They can also organize some contests, some quizzes, and to ensure that there is an awareness of the cybersecurity programs, etc. There has to be continuous evaluation and improvement necessary while driving the awareness for cybersecurity. It can come through employee feedbacks, then it can come through security audits, etc. So overall, it is essential that HR works hand in hand with IT and management teams to ensure that employees are well equipped with the knowledge and information as well as the resources, not only to protect the data of the organization, but personal data as well.